Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Shortcut to Shortcut. In this video, we'll take a look at adding a little progress bar in your video. So think about those times where, let's say, you see a video and there's like an advertisement or like in video advertisement sort of pop up in between, and then there's a little bar, a progress bar that shows you how far you are from the advertisement to end. Now you might need for advertisements or you might need it for some other purposes in your video. Well, let's have a look at how you might want to create it in the first place. So I had this video and I've intentionally kept two separate video and two separate tracks to show the effect of this. So obviously you can't really add any filters to either one of the videos because um, if you add a filter over here, for instance, so if I just click over here and enable this, uh, this timer will, for instance, shows only on, or any filter that you add on a particular video will only show when the video is visible. Similarly with this as well, if I add a filter over here, it will show only when this video is visible, but not when this video comes in. So how do I add the progress bar that covers the entirety of the entire video then? All right. So to do that, what I'll do is I'll just select another track. So I'll select this one right on top, and then I click on File and Open Other. Now this literally is a treasure box which I hadn't seen for such a long time. But this you can do a whole bunch of things. We'll start with the progress bar and then I'll show you some other gems as well that comes along with this open other box. So what we'll do is we'll just add a color and we can select a color. Let's say we just select this red color for instance and click on add to timeline. So now what this does is in this empty track, it adds a piece of element, an item to the track, which just is a color block. So this basically is just a red color. And what we want to do is we want to drag this across the entire video. So we want to drag this across the entire video because we want our red progress bar to appear across the entire video. Now you might think that this rectangle or this shape, this color that we just added, it just filled the entire video. How are we going to even make this a progress bar? What I'll do is I'll click the video, click on the plus button here to add a new filter, and then I'm going to crop the video. So I'm just going to crop it and then I'm going to crop this shape to make it a progress bar. So I can adjust this as much as I want. But I'm just going to leave it here so it's a little thicker. But of course, if you want a finer progress bar, you can adjust the height of this. You can crop it further if you want, but just so that it's easier to see, I'll leave it here. And then this background that appears, I'll click on this transparent button so that the uncropped parts, or well, the cropped parts, now become transparent. So now this shape has now turned into a progress bar, a rectangle progress bar, but still it is just a static rectangle. It is not changing. It is not a progress bar as such, not yet. So now what I will do to make it move, to make the shape move, what I'll do is I'll drag this playhead right to the start of the video. And then what I'll do is I'll click on keyframes and at the start of the video, I'll add a starting point. So that's my starting keyframe. And then I'll go to the end of the video and add another ending keyframe as well. For the ending keyframe, I'll say that I want the size to be completely 0. So now if I look at the start and play, I can see that as the video progresses from the start to end, the width of this progress bar keeps getting smaller and smaller. And there you go. That is your progress bar that appears. You can add this to any of your videos. Do remember to add the start and end, adjust the width, and of course, progress bar, the rectangle thing, you have to stretch it out to the entire video. So right from the start to end for this to appear as you want it to appear. Well, that's all for this video. We'll have a look at the other gems in another video from the open other dialog box. But for now, this is all that this video contains. It is just a quick video to show you how to create a progress bar for your videos. Hope you like this video. Do give it a like, share, and subscribe. And of course, do let me know in the comments down below what you think about these videos. Stick around for more videos to come on this channel. But until then, see you next time.